This is the new International Truck, a company that's moving forward, setting a new course for the road ahead. We are driven by a mission of uptime, with the best product quality in our history and the industry's newest lineup that puts drivers first. Trucks designed for maximum endurance. Trucks that drivers want to drive. Trucks that deliver with their brawn and their brains. And a new engine born with uptime in its DNA. The new International Truck is moving forward. With on-command connection, better connected solutions that improve productivity and reduce operating costs. And through a dealer network that's second to none today and committed to the relentless pursuit of getting better. From connected technologies that accelerate service write-ups to new ways of thinking that improve service dwell times. North America's largest dealer network is determined to remain its best. The new International Truck is focused on the road ahead, exploring new solutions, emerging technologies, and connected innovations. And with the global alliance with Traton, we are more determined to charge ahead than ever before. International Truck, leading the change, reshaping the future. The new International Truck has emerged, and we're taking uptime to a whole new level.
To drive a Peterbilt is to love a Peterbilt. And that's the kind of pride and joy you won't find anywhere else. The feeling behind the wheel. The indescribable combination of power and freedom on the open road. The unspoken bond between driver and truck that starts the minute you step into the cab and stays with you long after you've hung up your keys. It's the undeniable feeling you get when you drive the most celebrated truck on the road.
Everything suggested that we would take different paths, but it seems not.
Whether your mission is to transport goods or serve as part of a clock entirely run by trucks, performance is key. The aerodynamic design of this generation is striking. No stone has been left unturned when creating these smooth lines in order to achieve perfection. The same goes for the improvements made to our engines, now with even better injectors and combustion chambers. The result will be a powerful yet flexible vehicle, consuming less fuel.
Ja, trots att det är mycket slitage på bilarna under en sån här körning så har de klarat sig fruktansvärt bra. Vi har inte ens tankat en enda gång. Ingen av bilarna.
Inside the cab, the drivers are welcomed with a lowered instrument panel and a moved driver's position, offering them full control with improved visibility and better cross-cab access. We could go on for hours about the new features this generation has to offer, making it as strong and smart as it is reliable. No matter if you're in the business of long-distance transport or clockmaking.